In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself to improve focus in Microsoft Teams meetings. Whether you're working from home or in the office, maintaining concentration during meetings can sometimes be a challenge, especially with background noise or interruptions. So let's walk through a straightforward method to help you find a bit of peace and quiet in your virtual meeting space. First things first, let's navigate to Microsoft Teams. Open your preferred web browser and perform a quick search for Microsoft Teams. In the search results, you should see an option leading you to the Microsoft Teams website. Click on this link to proceed. Once you're on the Microsoft Teams main page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice an option to sign in. Please go ahead and click on Sign In. It will then prompt you to log in using your account credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready, and take a moment to ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any hassles. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Microsoft Teams dashboard. Now that we're all set up and logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your Teams interface. You'll see several options such as Activity, Chat, and Teams. For our purposes, locate and click on Calendar. This will show you a schedule of your day's meetings and upcoming events. If your calendar looks a bit cluttered, don't worry, just focus on finding the specific meeting you plan to join. Next, locate your upcoming Microsoft Teams meeting on the calendar and click on it. Doing so will showcase a few details and provide you with the option to join the meeting. When you're ready to dive in, simply click on Join. This step will bring up the meeting setup screen, where you can adjust your settings before actually entering the meeting. Before we jump into the meeting itself, there's one more button to press. Join now. Click on this to step into the virtual meeting room. This is also the perfect time to double check your microphone settings. To mute yourself, find the microphone icon typically located along the bottom toolbar of the meeting window. Click it once, and your microphone will be muted, indicated by a slash across the mic icon. This simple step effectively minimizes potential distractions for yourself and others, fostering a more focused meeting environment. By taking these steps, you not only help maintain your focus, but also contribute positively to the meeting atmosphere. Remember, muting your microphone when not speaking can significantly reduce background noise and create a more professional setting for all participants. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your Microsoft Teams meetings a bit more serene.